Yeah, very good morning, one and all children. Hope all of you are safe at home, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That
very good.
has done in the chat box, ma'am.
You have written your name in the chat box? Okay. Children, please don't write anything else except your name, or if you have any doubt or the answers of the question. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Please follow that. Next. Do you remember what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am. Chapter 12 can be shared.
Very good. Can we share? Last class, we shared so many things, right? Many friends have shared many things with me, many things with their friends, right? It was so nice. Okay. It was a good beginning of this year. Now, let us continue with the same chapter. Can we share? Okay. So, just a small look at what we have done in the previous class. And we will continue.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Yes, page number is
Page number?
not page number, it's page number. Page number 160 is beginning of the chapter. Here, children. Yeah, you can get ready with page number 163. Mute if you have any disturbance at home.
Ma'am, that is CH Dikshita shouting, ma'am.
Dikshita is shouting. That voice is of a small child's voice, I think.
That is from CH Dikshita.
Okay. Please keep yourself
Ma'am,
mute
what is
if
the
you have
page
any
number,
disturbance.
ma'am?
It's page number 163. Please keep that open. But meanwhile,
Okay, ma'am.
if this is the case, I have to mute you all, my dear children. Why don't you keep yourself mute and unmute yourself when required? If I mute you, then I have to unmute you always, and we have to stop in between while teaching. So will you keep yourself mute, all of you? Yes, then okay. Yeah, mute yourself, all of you. Very good. Okay, and please switch on your videos. Vivek, Chandana Sri, Saurajesh, Nishant, Niket, Siddharth. Switch on your videos. Yeah, okay. So you can unmute yourself whenever you want to speak. Okay, now. So chapter 12, can we share? Just we'll have a small look at what we have done in the previous class. So we have seen this. There were how many butterflies? 10 butterflies and arranged in 2 groups. Then you have seen that each group got 5 butterflies because it was arranged or divided into equal parts. So 5 butterflies in one group and 5 more in second group. So here when it is divided, 10 butterflies are divided into 2 groups. We say 10 divided by 2. This is what we have learned in the previous class. And then you have to check in 2 table, where do you get 10? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 2 fives are 10. That is why we are getting 5 as the answer. It means that in each group there are 5 butterflies, right? Similarly, we have seen the next one. In total, there are 21 caterpillars. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. So 21 caterpillars divided into 3 groups. So each group, how many? This is what you have to find. So in 3 table, you have to find out where do you get 21. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So answer is 7. It means each group has 7 caterpillars. Right. This also we have seen in the last class. Next, coming to laddus. So in total, how many laddus are here? 12 laddus are here. And how many plates are here? 4. It means 4 groups. So 12 laddus are divided into 4 groups. So 12 divided by 4. So now you have to check in fourth table where you get 12. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So each plate will have 3 laddus. Clear? All these we have discussed in the previous class itself. Is just a glance at a time. Here 18 stars are there and they have to put into 2 equal groups, 2 groups. So 18 to be divided by 2. So 2 table you have to check where you get 18 in 2 table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. So 9 times is 18. So it means that each group will have 9 stars in it. Okay, so next one is this we have not done. We will do it today. This we have done it, I think. Yes, there are 18 beads and they have to put into 3 equal groups. So how many beads are there? 18. How many groups are there? 3. So you have to divide 18 by 3. 18 divided by 3. So 3 table you need to check where you get 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, and 3 6 are 18, as Shruti said. Very good. Yes. So 6. Each group has 6.
Ma'am, page number.
What am I teaching you and what are you asking me? 163. Keep it open. Yeah. So next is after beads, we'll come to jalebis. Very sweet, sweet jalebis. I gave you this as homework, but let us discuss now. How many in total jalebis are here? 1. In first place, 1 you have. Then let us count.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
9 jalebis.
Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jalebis are there. Now you have to equally distribute into 3 plates. You have learned how to distribute. You can put 1 jalebi here, 1 here, 1 here. This was in the beginning, right? How to distribute equally, isn't it? But now you have learned the division part. Anyways, once we'll share and we'll go back to division. 3, 3.
All
And
plates.
so you got 9. So it means either like this or division part is you have to take total number of jalebis, that is 9. And how many groups? 1, 2, 3 groups you have to take. So 9 divided by 3. Then you have to check in 3 table where you get 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 3 threes are 9. Very good. So you got 3. It means in each plate there are 3 jalebis. In each plate there are 3 jalebis. Okay. So nice. Next. Let us
Ma'am, I am doing it.
Very good. Those who have done, so nice. Okay, let us go to the next one. Next is, see, next one is
Yes, friends, done it, ma'am.
so this also yesterday I gave
Ma'am,
you
I
as
done
homework.
this.
Hope you have done. This is for explanation for those who have not done. First question is 18 divided by 3. You have to check in 3 table where you get 18. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. Very good. So 6 times you get, so 6 is the answer. Then 18 divided by 6. So now here you have to take 6 table. Very good. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So 3 is the answer. Next, 28 divided by 7. Very good. 7 table you have to check where you get 28. 7 ones are 1, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28. So 4 is the right answer. Yes.
Page number.
Hey, once I tell you should listen now, why do you ask the same question again and again? I told you 163. Check it up. Next, 28 divided by 4. You have to check 4th table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. So 7 is the right answer. Okay. Similarly, 35 divided by 7. Pradyumna has given the answer. Very good. 7 5s are 35. So 5 is the right answer. Hope all of you have done. So nice. But all of you have not submitted it to me. Those who have submitted, claps for them. And those who have not done, please get the claps by tomorrow by submitting the work. So now let us learn about division. See, you have done division very good. So now we will see the parts. What are these called? Children, please listen to me. Keep yourself in mute.
Show them.
Hemanandana, mute yourself. Yes, very good. Dikshita, mute. Yes, very good. Whenever you need to answer, please unmute. Shruti, you also mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Whenever you want to answer, you can unmute yourself. Right? What, Pradyumna? What's going on? Huh? Okay. Now, let us see the division. Let us learn the names of the parts. Let us check it up. So, see, when you have seen in multiplication, suppose I give you a number 3 multiplied by 4. What is 3 4s are? 3 4s are?
12, ma'am.
Very good. 12. So I have explained to you, yes, I have explained to you in the class that these numbers, what you are multiplying, they are called factors. Do you remember? I have explained this in the last class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So these are called factors. These are called factors. Then what is this answer called?
Ma'am, 12 divided by 4 is
No,
equal to.
I am asking you, what is this answer called? 12 is called product. 12 is called product. The answer is called product. When you multiply two factors, the answer is called product. Hope you remember that we have learned that the exchange of these factors, that is either 3 into 4 or 4 into 3, will not change the answer, will not change the product. Did you remember? Or we have discussed all this in the last class, right? Manichandra,
Yes.
please don't write anything else here. Manichandra. Yes. So, so here, what?
Ma'am, I will write my homework, ma'am.
You have written? Very good. Okay. Did you share? I have not seen yours. Did you post?
Ma'am, homework has been posted, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, some of you have done, I have seen. Those who have not done, I'm asking them. Okay. Now see, this is what you have learned in the previous class for multiplication. Similarly, when you take for division, what are the parts called? Let us see that also. Okay. Simple example I'll give you. Suppose I take 12 divided by 12 beads are divided into 4 groups. Then how to get the answer? Just now we have discussed. You have to see the table of 4, right? In 4 table, yes, 4 3s are 12. So 3 is the answer. So now what is this? Yeah, very good. So not 12, 3. So what is this 4? What is this 12 called? And what is this 3 called? Let us see all these things now. Okay. Shall we learn about it now? Shall we learn about it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So okay. Yeah, fine. Please mute. Keep yourself in mute. Yes, now mute. Now keep yourself in mute now. Okay, now let us see that. So here, division, this is the division. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So everywhere I have written the first number, big number, what is that given? And which is to be divided is called dividend. What is this called?
Dividend.
Dividend. Very good. Now the dividend to be divided into some groups. How many groups? Here it is to be divided into 6 groups. Suppose there are 18 beads and 18 beads are to divided into 6 groups. These groups are called divisor. What is it called? Divisor. Okay. Now, so when you divide, yeah, when you're dividing, there is a symbol for division, you know very well. So this is the division symbol. Okay. Now, so first big number, yes.
Ma'am, the black pills.
Okay. But that is not disturbing you, right? You can see the screen, no?
Ma'am, the third one. You is not. Third one answer is not coming.
Not able to see. I'll share once again. Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Now is this okay?
Biryani kanna
So now, first big number, please keep yourself in mute now. The first big number which is to be divided is called dividend. Then division symbol. And into how many groups it is to be divided? That is called divisor. And when you check in divisor table, the answer what you get is called quotient. That is called quotient. And there is another term called remainder that we will learn it later. I will teach you later. Now this is called equal sign. So hope you understood the parts of this division, right? So now some of the divisions, let us see. Here simple one, 10 divided by 2. 10 bananas are to be divided into 2 friends. So how many bananas will each friend get? How many bananas? Yes, very good.
Hi, ma'am.
So you have to check the table of 2. You have to check 2 table. 2 5s are 10. So answer is 5. It means each group will have 5 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one group. And another group will have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Now 21 divided by 3. So you have to check 3 tables. In 3 table, it is 3 7s are 21. So 21 lines are to be divided into 3 groups. How many groups? 3 groups. So each group will get 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each group will have 7, 7, 7, and in total 3 groups. So 21 are divided into 3 groups, each having 21. Each having 7. Clear? Okay, now. See, now there is an interesting problem. Here, see here, children.
Yes, ma'am.
So here there is a mummy bird. Please mute. Keep yourself in mute unless I ask you some question. Trishal, mute.
Ma'am,
Yes, who else? Pradyumna, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. 3.
Sharon, mute yourself. Yeah. Now see here, there is a mummy bird. And this mummy bird brings 12 grains. 12 grains to feed the little baby birds. How many baby birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 baby birds are there. So in our language, what do you say? 12 grains are to be divided into 4 groups, isn't it? So 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4. Then you have to check 4 table. In 4 table, where do you get 12? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 3 is 12. So you got 3 is the answer. It means each baby gets 3 grains. Each baby gets how many grains? 3 grains. So this is what you have to write. Each baby has got 3 grains. Each baby has got 3 grains.
Grains is 3 answer, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so now let us go to the next one. Hope you understood this. This you have to write down in your notebook later. I will send it to you.
I have right,
Now,
ma'am.
very good. If you have written, it's very good. Now, here see, who are they here?
Monkeys.
Monkeys. Are these monkeys like you?
Three
Are
monkeys
are
and
these
6
monkeys-
bananas.
Are these monkeys like you, or are you like monkeys?
I like monkeys, ma'am.
You are like, no, I am asking you whether you like it or not. It's not that question. Are these monkeys looking like you, or are you look like monkeys?
Ma'am, answer 2.
Answer is 2. That means you look like monkeys.
False. False, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
False.
Okay.
False,
False. It's a false statement. You are not monkeys.
Answer
Neither
is
monkeys
three,
are you.
ma'am.
We are
Okay,
not
fine,
monkeys.
fine. Okay, let us
Ma'am,
go back to
answer is
our.
three,
Let us
ma'am.
go back to our lesson.
Ma'am.
There are 6 bananas. How many? 6 bananas.
Banana.
How many monkeys are here?
3.
3 monkeys. It means 3 groups. In our language, we say 3 groups. So 6 bananas are to be divided into 3 groups. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. You have to check in 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 2 is the right answer. So you can see each monkey is getting 2 bananas. 1, 2. 1, 1. So each monkey is getting 2 bananas, and they are going to enjoy the 2 bananas. How many of you had banana today in the morning?
0.
Very good.
Ma'am,
I can see only one hand raising. Bhumika's 3 bananas. Nina, very good. Okay, Chandana Sri had bananas. Very good. Okay, so you should have fruits in the morning. It's not only bananas. Anything you can have. Yes, Joseph, very good. Okay, fine. So like you, monkeys also had breakfast with bananas. So how many bananas each monkey had taken? 2 bananas. Very good. So let us go to the next problem.
ma'am.
Let us go to the next problem now. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now. If there are 6 bananas and 2 monkeys, if there are 6 bananas and 2 monkeys, can you tell me quickly how many each monkey will get?
Ma'am, 2 bananas, ma'am. And 3
Bananas.
bananas, ma'am.
And how many monkeys?
3 bananas, ma'am.
2 monkeys.
3 bananas, ma'am.
Yes,
3
very good.
bananas.
2 ones are 2
Three
twos are 4,
bananas.
2 threes are 6. So 3.
Division
It
2
means
equals to 3,
each monkey will get 3 bananas.
ma'am.
Each monkey will get 3 bananas.
3 bananas.
Right, very good. So each 6 bananas divided by 2. So each monkey will get 3 bananas. Wow, good. So next, this is done. Next, if there are 60 bananas, if there are 60 bananas, find out if there are 60 bananas and 2 monkeys.
20, ma'am.
30, ma'am.
20.
Yes, please do it. Please do it.
30, ma'am. 30. 30, ma'am. 30.
30, ma'am.
30, ma'am. 30, ma'am. 30, ma'am.
Yeah, please check this. 60 divided by 2. Then also check if there are 600 bananas and there are 2 monkeys, then how many each monkey will get? Find out immediately, all of you, quickly. So write down these 2 problems, 60 divided by 2 and 600 divided by 2. Find out and let me know. Sorry, I'm in mute. I didn't see and I'm talking. It means I'm talking to myself. Huh? Okay. So hope you got the answer. Very good. So as see, first we have the 6 bananas. First we had 6 bananas and that 6 bananas were distributed among 2 monkeys, right? Then you have seen 2 table. 2 how many times is 6? 2 3s are 6, right? So you got 3 as the answer. 3 bananas for each monkey. So now see here carefully. If you understand this, you can do so many problems. If there are 6 bananas, 6 divided by 2 is 3. If there are 60 bananas, first you 6 divided by 2 you do. Simply 3. Then take how many zeros you have, that you can write down. So 30 bananas to each monkey. Now 600 bananas. So just take 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And write down the zeros, whatever you have. 300. Is it easy? Is it easy? Yes. Now answer me the other question then. If you understood this, answer me the other question now. Yes. All of you be ready. If there are 4 bananas and there are 4 monkeys, so how many bananas will each monkey get? Yes, Uzair, will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many bananas will each monkey get?
One banana, ma'am.
Very good. Claps for Uzair. So nice. So 1 banana for each monkey. Okay, next. Suppose you have 40 bananas. Suppose you have 40 bananas and there are 4 monkeys. 40 bananas and 4 monkeys. How many bananas will each monkey get? Lalitaditya? Answer. So I told you what to do. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Here it is 40. So first you check this. 4 divided by 4 is 1. And how many zeros you have? Put that many zeros.
10.
So 10. So each monkey will get 10 bananas. Okay. Now, Nina Maria.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you answer this. Suppose you have 400 bananas. You have 400 bananas. And these bananas are shared equally among 4 monkeys. These bananas are shared equally among 4 monkeys. Can you tell me how many bananas will each monkey get?
100, ma'am.
Wow, so nice. So 1 and 0, 0, that is 100 bananas will each monkey get. So nice. So children, hope all of you have understood this. So let us go back to our part. So this was, we were discussing this. If there are 60 bananas and 2 monkeys, how many will each monkey get? 60 divided by 2, right? Dikshita, can you answer quickly? 60 divided by 2. Dikshita is not here, not listening. Chandanasri, can you answer? Chandanasri?
30, ma'am.
Wow, so nice. So 30 bananas each monkey will get, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now let us go to the next one. So 600, if there are 600 monkeys and 600 bananas and 2 monkeys, how many bananas will each monkey get? Children, any one of you?
300, ma'am.
Very good. 300. Who answered this?
300, ma'am.
Krishnasri, very good. 300 bananas. So nice. Next. Now see, listen. Please listen to me carefully. This is a little important problem. Please listen to me carefully so that you can answer yourself all other problems. Okay. So I have put all you all in mute so that you don't disturb others. Now the next question is, there are 5 friends. There are 5 friends. How many friends? 5 friends. They found 10 5 rupee coins on the ground. they found these coins. How many such coins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 coins they found. But what is the coin? What coin is this? 5 rupee coin. What coin is this? 5 rupee coin. Okay. So total, what is the amount? Do you know how much total it gives? Yes, anyone? Nishant, CH Nishant, can you tell me what will be the total of this? 5 participants raise a hand. Let me see who raised. Yes, Brinda Balsetti, would you like to answer this? What will be the total amount?
50, ma'am.
Very good. So 10 5 rupee coins. 5 rupee coin, how many you have? 10. So 10 5s are 50. So in total, there are 50 rupees. Now, what they have done, they shared this 50 rupees equally among 5 friends. So total how much? 50. There are how many friends? 5. It means 5 groups. So 50 is divided into 5 groups. 50 divided by 5. Now you have to check 5 table and you know very well 5, or you can write 5 ones are 5 and 0. So each student, each friend will get 10 rupees. Is this clear? Any doubt in this problem, children? Any doubt here? Hope you understood.
Ma'am, 5 times the 50.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, you are in mute.
Yeah. So, okay. So fine, that is, I hope you understood. Now answer the next question. Okay. Same type of question you have. If there are 16 10 rupee notes, 16 10 rupee notes. Yes, who will answer this? Yeah, Vivek, will you answer? Vivek?
Teacher.
Yes. So there are 10 rupee notes. How many 10 rupee notes are there? 16. So can you tell me in total what will be the amount?
160, ma'am.
Very good. 16 10 rupee notes. 16 into 10, 160 rupees. Now this 160 rupees is shared among how many friends? 4 friends. It is shared equally among 4 friends. So each friend will get how much? 160 divided by 4. See children, it is very easy to divide. Maybe the number looks very big, but it is very easy. Please check it up. What you have to do is 160 divided by how many friends? How many friends are there? 4 friends.
4, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to divide 160 rupees among 4 people. So how to divide this? I told you, check in 4th multiplication table. What you have to check? You need not check 160, just to check 16. Do you know how many times 4, how many times get 16? Vivek? 4th table. 4th table. Check it up and tell me where do you get 16?
3, ma'am.
4 3
4 3 is 16, ma'am.
4 3 are 12, my dear.
4 4 ma'am.
Very good. So 4 4 are 16, and then you take this 0 here. So 40. It means each friend is going to get 40 rupees.
40.
So Vivek, if I give you 40 rupees, what will you do? What will you do? If I give you 40 rupees, what will you do? Now you think, you never got 40 rupees into your hand, okay? So you are getting it now. So you have to think whether you have to buy a ball or a chocolates or ice cream or what. What do you want to buy?
I am only chocolate, ma'am.
You eat only chocolates, okay? And you spoil your teeth by eating chocolates, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so take care of your teeth. Don't eat too many chocolates. Okay, now let us go to the other part. So
Teacher, I am mute.
yeah, you can mute. Thank you. So now 5 friends found 100 rupees on the ground. How many friends are there? 5. So groups are 5. Total amount how much? 100. So now 100 to be divided among 5 friends. So 100 divided by 5. So easy to divide, Hope? Is it easy to divide? 100
Yes, ma'am.
100 divided by 5. Tell me what is the answer. 100 divided by 5. 100 rupees they found on the ground and it is to be divided among 5 friends. So as I told you, just check this 10. 5 table. How many times 10? 5 how many times 10?
25 times of 50, ma'am.
5 how many times 10? 5 table lo 10 ekkada ostadi. 5 how many times is 10? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 twos are 10. You have to write 2 and you have to take this 0. So 20. Yeah. So each student will get, each friend will get 20 rupees. Each friend will get 20 rupees. Is this okay? Now all of you unmute and try to answer my next question. If there are 100 rupees, if there are 100 rupees and there are 2 friends. If there are 2 friends, can you tell me how many rupees will each friend get?
50.
Very good. So first 10 you have to check. 2 how many times is 10? 2 5s are 10 and that 0. So 50 rupees. Each friend will get 50 rupees. So nice. Okay. So hope all of you understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now let us check one more question we have. We'll check and we'll have a small game for you. See here, Hari Prasad has 30 meters of rope. There is a rope and the length of this rope is 30 meters. Now he want to cut it and equally divide it into 3 children. Divide the rope with 3 children. So 30 divided by 3. Can you tell me how much rope will each child get? 30 divided by 3. Niket, do it. 30 divided by 3. Niket, do this. Tell me the answer, Niket. 30 divided by 3. 30 divided by 3.
Each children got 10 meters.
Each child get 10 meters of rope. Each child gets, very good, Karunya Kumar. Each child gets 10 meters of rope. Did you understand, Niket?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, fine. So let us go to the next one. So all these I'm going to send it to you. Now see here, there are some questions which will be given as homework. So before I do this, are you all ready with your mobiles? Yes? Yes or no? You have mobiles with you?
Yes.
Yes. So I am going to share one link to all of you just now. Please open and tell me whether you are able to open that or not. Quickly. So I have sent to A section students. Yes, done. Then I have sent to B section students.
C section.
See, I have not yet sent. Just a second. Wait a second. A section students can open. A section students can open.
WhatsApp lona. WhatsApp lona.
In your group, in your WhatsApp group only I have sent.
WhatsApp group open చేయి. WhatsApp group open చేయరా మళ్ళా టైం పడుతుంది ఇది హోమ్ కి ఓపెన్ చేయి.
Yes, I have sent it to C group also, C section also. So please check it if you can open that link. Can all of you open that link?
C section.
And if you can open, please join the game.
Join.
There is a game. Can we share?
Join. Ma'am, it is not coming.
Not coming. Not coming. Okay, do one thing. Do one thing. Now go back and select now. Wait a second. There is a small change in the ID. Yes, for C section I have sent. Now you check it, ma. C section.
ఓకేనా వీడియో ఆన్లో ఉందా అన్మ్యూటా
Now C section and A section I have sent. Now you check it up. The next one, second one.
నేమ్ నిఖిత్
Could you open, children?
ఎస్ అని చెప్పు తొందరగా కొట్టు
Yeah, Bhumika Singh has joined. Very good. Mohammad Uzair has got joined. Others also, please make it fast.
నిఖిత్
Yes, Lalit.
వెయిటింగ్
What? No. The second one. I have sent the second one. You select that. See, all students are joining. All others have joined. Do it. Second one. You select.
అదే కొట్టు చూసి సెకండ్ రోలో ఉంది పైనుంచి
Yeah. So see, many students have joined. So nice. Okay, I'm starting the game. You can start. Now,
look up
ah,
at the host 20 rupee coins 2 rupee coins 22 rupees coins anta 40 good
children, please try to do it on your own. Okay.
okay
It's a small competition type. So please try to do it on your own.
ఏదైనా తీసుకో సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకో
Yes, Kartika.
నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంది చూడు choose a player to take a
You
from
just join, ma.
ఏదో ఒకటి
Look at you got it. No? Just join. You're not getting that. All have joined.
Nikit, you are 20 rupees coins and 4
The
friends
second.
to share 8 rupees ఎంత 20 divided by చేయాలి ఎంత 20 divided by
20 అయ్యాలి
ఎంత మంది 4 members ఎంత
Please mute. Please mute. All of you, please mute and play.
4 5
20 coins
See, right now, Uzair is on first place.
coins
4 5 5
there are
Here you
20
get the places, which place you are in.
20 into
Now,
two
Chandana
first.
Sri has come to first place. So nice. Chandana Sri
22 rupees
is
coins
playing well. Uzair, you have gone to third.
but చూడు 22 rupees and 40 ఎంత మంది డివైడ్ చేయాలి 4 members 4 10 జా 40 10
Ah.
అదే కదా నేను చెప్తున్నాను
చేసుకొని పో.
అమ్మే.
అది అక్కడ ముంగట పెట్టుకొని చేసుకో నెక్స్ట్ ముందు పెట్టుకో
మమ్మీ నాకు గోల్స్ వచ్చాయి
సరే సరిగా కూర్చోలే కాలు ఫోల్డ్ చేసుకోరా ఇక్కడ ఫోన్ పెట్టు నువ్వు ఫోన్ పెట్టు బుక్ తీసుకో
అగో మమ్మీ
Chandana Sri just swapped gold with Saurajesh. So Chandana Sri has come to the first place.
has 3 meters of rope. He distributed it equally among his 3 children.
Wow,
అంటే ఎంత రావాలి
Saurajesh has
30
come to first place now. Lalit, play.
3 10 జా
30
Bhumika, do you have class now? You have class? At what time? 12 or 11:45?
12 ma'am
12. Okay. 5 minutes more. Just we'll play and leave it up. I'll give you another ID evening. Okay? Yeah.
okay ma'am
One game we will just complete and leave. Oh, good. Brinda has come to the top now. First is right now Brinda. Next Minnu. Who is that Minnu? Coming then Chandana. Nice. Saurajesh has gone to 6th. Kengo is in 5th. Nice going. Good going. Go on. Yes, Kartika. Second time నేను సెకండ్ టైం పంపించిన లింక్ తీసావా? ఓపెన్ జస్ట్ జాయిన్ అయిపోతే వచ్చేస్తుందమ్మా. నేను సెకండ్ టైం పంపించిన లింక్ జాయిన్ అవ్వు. What happened, Ritika? You are not playing? Any difficulty? What happened? Oh, Nikit has come to the first place. Ishan has come. Ishan bagged the first one. Lalita Aditya has come to the first place now. Again, Ishan has bagged. Ishan first, Kengo second, Brinda third right now. It may change. Yeah, final standings, let me tell. First stands Shruti, second Brinda, and third Ishan. So nice, great. So first is Shruti, second is Brinda, third is Ishan. Well done, children. All of you have played well. That is why the names were keep on changing. Sometimes Saurajesh came, sometimes Lalita Aditya came, sometimes some others too. Kengo also has come to second place. So nice. So this we will try. I'll give you in the evening also. Right now you have class, right? So 12. It's already 11:50. Now I'm going to end the session now. The same problems I have given for homework also. Hope now everyone will do it. Yes? Will everyone do the homework? Yes. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Joseph.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
hope you understood. Is there any difficulty?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you gave 4 only, ma'am.
No, there are 10 questions in total. Check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
My phone 4 is only there.
Okay. Evening I will send. Evening I will send one more link.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is the
Evening.
MID, ma'am?
Listen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I can't
5 o'clock.
understand what is the
Evening 5 o'clock. I will send the link. Okay. Till then, bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you.